The 6th edition of the Desert Race is expected to take place on Saturday morning in Kajiado County, where we are, with participants drawn from across the 47 counties in the country. The race, which will see participants take part in the 21-kilometer tri-circle race, is meant to spread peace and unity among Kenyans as the country heads into the general election. Joseph Muller, who finished second last year, has sent a warning to his opponents, saying this year the 100,000 shillings awarded to the winners will be his.
Nilikuwa nimeona watu wamekuwa wengi, si kama last year. Nimeona wenzangu wamekuja wengi, but at least this time nimeona round hivi, nimeona tutakuwa tu washindi. That's what we believe.
Upinzani uko kali hapa sababu kuna wengine wanatoka Nairobi. Tunaelewana wala sasa chata ni marathon. Uko sawa lakini tuko tumejipanga.
So that